I have a problem when using my dust extractor that sometimes the collection bucket implodes like this. In this video, I hope to show you two simple solutions to fix this problem. It starts with disassembly of the old unit. Once the piping has been disassembled, we need to remove the cyclone. I don't remember when, but at some time I must have sucked up a plastic bag. Next, we replace the standard 5-gallon bucket with a high-strength polycarbonate one. Not only is the polycarbonate stronger, but you can see the level of the contents inside. We then want to center the cyclone in the middle of the bucket lid and transfer the holes into the bucket top. This step is required because I am retrofitting my old system. Next, you will need to route a hole in the middle of the bucket top. The cut didn't end up quite as clean as I expected, so I finished it up with an oscillating spindle sander off camera. I then added weather stripping to make it as airtight as possible. One of the last steps of this first upgrade is to bolt the cyclone to the bucket top. I'm very excited for this upgrade because not only will it perform better, but it will look better too. Now to give it a test and see if it implodes. No implosion, but you can see the bucket and hose constrict when I start the vacuum. I'll address this with part 2 of the upgrade later in this video. Now time to test it out and make sure the cyclone actually works. So far, everything's looking good. One thing I noticed is that on the end of the hose there is a small port you can open and close to adjust airflow. Even with this wide open, the original 5-gallon bucket was imploding. For the second upgrade, I'd like to add an additional air port to allow more adjustability in the airflow and protect the new bucket. This ball valve and T-fitting are the perfect solution. After several messy cuts on the miter saw, I was able to cut the PVC down to the correct length and reassemble the dust collection piping. There are now multiple ways to adjust the airflow for this dust collector. You can use the port on the end of the hose, as well as this additional bypass valve. With the hose being completely blocked off, you can hear additional air being pulled in through the newly added valve. This helps protect the hose, bucket, and dust extractor without too much loss in suction. And that's it. 2 easy and fairly inexpensive upgrades that help protect your extractor and make it easier to use. Thanks for watching.